Welcome back, guys, and today we're going to be talking headlights. Let me show you guys. This is a common problem with a lot of vehicles these days. Once the plastic headlights have aged and been exposed to any amount of heat, you get this yellow tint where they fade and become discoloured. I mean, I know this one's got this extra bit of white, what looks like bird poop. But you can just sort of get an idea of the lens, how it goes like a bronzy yellow colour. It just makes the headlights look a bit nasty and old. Rather than changing the headlights, what I'm going to show you guys today is a little trick of mine which I've always used to try and bring these back up to make them look better. So I'm just going to set the camera up. Okay, step one. I know there's a lot of products on the market that claim to do this. I've never personally tried them. I always do it this way and it's worked fine for me, so I continue to do it that way. Seems pretty aggressive, but trust me, it does work. Step one, some 1200 grit wet and dry sandpaper. We're just going to go over the headlight and take the roughest part of the crazing, if you will, off, you know, like the cracked plastic. We're going to make a start with that. Got that off pretty nice and even. So step two involves, okay, step two, I'm going to use a bit of rubbing compound and the buffer to buff these back up. You can see they've gone all dull from where I've used the sandpaper. Now I'm going to buff them back up. Now I'm going to have to be really careful because I can't find the right attachment for the buffer and I've had to just use the oversized pad, so I'll have to be really careful I don't catch it with that edge there, but we should be alright. I'm going to use my expertise to try and avoid a catastrophe. So just get that rubbed on generously like that. And I'm also just going to damp the pad. You don't want it too wet, because otherwise you're going to get paste fired in every direction. Be careful not to get it too hot, otherwise you're just going to get the same problem of the dip a little bit of water in there. The water just helps it. Don't get it too hot because that's just going to burn the lens again. That's already looking much better. So what we're going to do now, stage 3, I'm just going to put some high gloss polish on there just to get the last of the fine scratches from the sandpaper out. pour a bit onto the pad like that. Got some there, look. I think we can all agree that that is a massive improvement on before.